In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up an image as a layer on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to select where it says Open as Layers. Alternatively, you can also select the Control, Alt, and O key combination. And you may also want to tap the F1 key if you want to learn more information about it. And then once you have opened up this directory here, locate the image on the list. You can see our directory is currently on the desktop, but you may have it to navigate on the left panel here, exactly where your file may be located. So in my case, it is on my desktop here. It says JPEG file. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to just select open. And then you can go ahead and modify additional preferences for that image. And you can select basically any customization options here. It tells you where the image is coming from. If you want to convert the image to a built-in color profile, you can do that. Generally, you don't really have to mess with stuff. And then rendering intent, click the drop down. We're just going to select, again, the default options, but you can select perceptual, saturation, or absolute color metric. And then black point compensation, we have that check marked. And you can also have it opt to not prompt you again going forward if you don't want to have this prompt every time you open up a new layer. Otherwise, just go ahead and select convert. And then it should be on here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.